we'll do this sum. It is to check if the given number is prime or not. How we will check this? You will all have to remember this. I told you to find the square numbers and learn it till 20. I hope you have done that. So that we will need here. Which is a square number which is more than 131? It's 144, as I know. So I have written. If you have not learned, better learn it. It's 12 into 12, which is 144. So 144 is greater than 131. And 144 is 12 multiplied by 12. That means 144 will be surely divisible by 12. Now what you will do? You will find the prime numbers which are less than 12. The first step is, you will see the number. Then you will find a number which is greater than the given number and it is a square of any number. Got that first step? The second step will be, you found the square number, it's the square of 12. You will write all the prime numbers which are less than 12. Which are the prime numbers less than 12? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Right? You got these prime numbers. Now, I'm not going to do it. You will do it. Now divide, I'm explaining you the sum. Now divide 131 by each of the given prime numbers. Don't divide, but check the divisibility. That means, that implies check the divisibility of 131 with all the prime numbers less than 12. If it is divisible by any, that means 131 won't be prime number. If it is not divisible by all the prime numbers less than 12, right? 2, is it divisible? You will write 131 by 2 is not possible, as it is not even. Then you will write 131 divided by 3, right? 1 plus 3 plus 1. 5 is not divisible by 3. So 131 is not divisible by 3. Then you will go to 5. Again you will write 131 is, either write like this, is not divisible by 5 as the unit or ones place is not 0 or 5. Then 7, I have not taught you the divisibility test. So divide by 7 and see. 11, you know the divisibility test. Apply that and see whether it is divisible or not. If it is not divisible by any of the prime numbers, then this given number is not a prime. If it is divisible by any prime, then it is not a prime. So what is the case? How you will do it? You will see the number. After seeing the number, find a square number which is greater than 131. Just the square number greater than 131. As we know, 11 into 11 is 121 and 12 into 12 is 144. We will take 144. 12 is the number. We'll take all the prime numbers less than 12. 131, we'll check the divisibility of 131 with these prime numbers. Jot it down like this. Show the working to me. Don't do without working. And then you will write, as 131 is not divisible by 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11, it is not a prime.